Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another video. My name is Wairi, and in today's video, it's all about e.l.f. products. If you're curious about e.l.f. products, which one you should spend your money on, which ones are worth your coins, then this is the video for you. I have a few e.l.f. products on here, and I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on them, doing my makeup at the same time, and letting you guys see those products for yourself. However, if you're not subscribed to my channel, now would be a great time for you to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video, and I will see you guys in my next one. We all know that drugstore products have actually stepped up their game. They're making dupes of high-end products, and those dupes are actually killing it, and in some instances they're even outperforming some of the high-end products. So today it's all about e.l.f. products. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my thoughts on some of their products that I've tried, used, and some newer ones that literally just came out, and let you guys be the judge of if these are worth buying or getting or spending your coins on. So if you're interested in that, without further ado and without any more rambling, let's get into it. The first product has been raved on about on social media. If you don't know, it's the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is the dupe of the Milk Hydro Grip and even a fraction of the price. This retails for about 12 Canadian dollars and probably cheaper in the US, but the Milk Hydro Grip Primer is double that price, and this is just a fraction of it. This does a great job of putting and holding your makeup in place, and a little goes a long way. I tend to use this a lot, and I've been using it for a bit now. It really does the job of like just keeping your makeup there, and if you notice, like when you apply it, you get that really sticky effect when you touch your skin. I have layers of moisturizer underneath, so it might not pick up as much as you would expect. But if you're looking for a primer that will keep your makeup steady and in place all day, then definitely check it out. The next product is actually new to me. This is their bronzing drop. Now, this is really new to me in the sense that I've actually not used it before, but I've seen it all over social media and how people are using it to get that glowy, dewy skin, and I live for that. The shade that I picked up is in Pure Gold. I actually picked up a shade that was darker, but I was like, I cannot see this, so I went in and got a lighter shade. Hopefully this picks up a little bit better on my skin. So what I'm going to do is swatch it for you guys so you can see. This is just that. Then I'm going to blend it out on my skin. Now, this is still a little bit subtle, but one of the ways that you're supposed to apply it is by mixing this with your moisturizer. So I'm going to mix it with my moisturizer and go in with a few drops. And just blend that on the back of my hand and also take that on my skin. I think I could have gone about like 2 shades up. I think it has about 4 shades. I'm not quite sure. I'll just check it out right now so you guys can know, but I had picked up like a really dark shade and I wasn't really seeing anything. But if you are not big on highlighter like me, then this will be a good way to get that glowy skin from within. And if you like bronzed makeup look, then this will definitely be a great addition to your makeup routine. It comes in 3 shades. I thought it was 4, but this is actually the lightest shade, which is Pure Gold. So it is very, very subtle, which is still okay by me. And again, it retails for around $12. That's if you're picking it up from like Shoppers. So yeah, definitely check it out if you want that glow from within. But I'm going to move on to the next product, which is the Halo Liquid Filter. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I absolutely love this because this you can use it in multiple ways. And this is actually meant to give you like radiant, glowy skin. It actually comes in 8 shades, and the shade that I have is number 6. And like I mentioned, it has there are different ways that you can wear it. You can wear it underneath your makeup, you can wear it over your makeup, you can wear it as a highlighter, and then you can also wear it mixed as your foundation. Today I'm going to wear it on its own just as a foundation so that you guys can see what it looks like, but it really does give a like dewy skin. So if you're not really big on dewy skin, then you might want to consider like wearing it underneath your foundation. But I'm just going to give it a good shake before I get started. I'm going to also swatch it so you can see what that looks like. It has such a huge giant applicator, which I absolutely love. So this is the shade that I picked up, and this is shade 6, which works pretty well for my skin tone. It retails for about $18, and this is Canadian dollars, as I have mentioned previously in other videos. So I'm just gonna apply just a little bit and then blend it out. When it comes to blending out my foundation, I always go in with a brush. And one thing I love is that this sits really close to my skin tone. And I love that for me. So this is my skin with just the Halo Glow filter. It's really dewy. You can see that I have like shine in some areas. And again, if you're worried that because you have oily skin, this might be too much, then you might want to consider just mixing this with your foundation. The next product is the Camo Concealer, the Hydrating Camo Concealer. Now, one of the things that I will say is that when you go in store in Canada, it is very, very, very difficult to find shades that are suitable for dark skin. It's really, really hard. Most of the shades are for like lighter skin tones, and that doesn't just make sense. So the shade that I picked up is medium beige. I wish they had like, you know, darker shades in store because we need it. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Anyways, this is the shade that I currently have, and I really picked this up because I did a previous video on affordable makeup products that you can use, and so this was all encompassing. But for this video, I'm only going to be using this underneath my eyes and highlighting, so I'm going to be going with like a tiny amount because I don't want to have like, you know, panda eyes. And then I'm gonna blend it out. It comes in 25 shades and retails for about $9. Again, Canadian dollars, so that's not bad. I just wish that they would have at least 25 of those shades in store. Okay, so less crazy, but by the time I set my face and pull this whole look together, you guys will see that it's not a big deal that I have like an off shade, like, you know, concealer. But I will say that their concealers blend really, really well. But let's not get into the shade anymore. If there is one product from e.l.f. that you absolutely need to get, then I would say it would be the Camo Liquid Blush. These are absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Well, one of the things I will say is that e.l.f. makes really, really good blushes. I've used the Putty Blush in the past and I loved it. The pigment, everything was great. But these liquid blushes, 10 over 10, 10 over 10, I tell you. I have 4 of those shades and they have 9 shades in total. So feel free to check out the shades and the ones that work for you. What I'm going to do is share the shades that I have and swatch them so that you can see. But for this look, I'm going to do a little bit of a cocktail so you can see like 2 shades blended together. So the first shade that I have is Gorge Orange. Now this is a really nice orange blush that will work perfectly in fall, or if you're just that girl. The pigmentation of these blushes are beautiful. They pick up really well on your skin. You can make them as light as you want to and as pigmented as you want to. And they retail for $9. And again, this is Gorge Orange. The next shade that I have is Berry Well. This is a really nice berry color. And this is what it looks like. And the next one that I have is Suave Mauve, and this is beautiful, perfect for everyday wear. This is what I reach out for the most if I'm just like in one of those days where I just want like a really nice subtle makeup. This is what it looks like. It has a really nice subtle pink undertone to it. Beautiful shade. And the last one is Bronze Bombshell. This is what it looks like. It's a really nice brown shade. And yeah, I think it's a really gorgeous brown too. So this is it right here. You can see like beautiful, beautiful shades. Again, they come in 9 shades. So feel free to pick whatever works for you. Like I mentioned, I'm gonna do like a cocktail, but I need to just get this off the back of my hand. I'm gonna do a cocktail with Gorge Orange. And Berry Well. And I'm gonna blend it out. I'm gonna use my blush brush to blend it out. Like I mentioned, you can make it as pigmented as you want or as subtle as you want. It really doesn't matter. Like, it's all based on your preference. And this is me just going in with my foundation brush to like really blend it into the skin. But you can see how beautiful that picks up. By the time I apply like the rest of my makeup, you see how subtle the flush is. But beautiful, beautiful shades of blushes. And it, like I said, if there's one thing that you need to pick, this would be it. So the next product to try is the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. Now I tried this brow pencil in my previous video where I shared like, you know, a full face using drugstore product, but I've absolutely fallen in love with it. The application, everything, and this retails for $4. The shade that I picked up is deep brown, and I'm gonna swatch it for you so you can see like the intensity of like, you know, this brow pencil. And this is what it looks like. Works perfectly well on my skin. Some brow pencils will make your skin, your brows look a little waxy, but this doesn't do that. I also love that it comes with like a spoolie to just fade out any harsh lines. So I'm gonna use this to fill out my brows. It comes in about, I think, 6 shades and retails for about $4. So 5 shades and retails for $4. So really great price point. Let me fill in my brows so you guys can see what that looks like. By the time I do like a cleanup and everything, you're gonna see how great it is. This is what my brows look like after like a little mini cleanup. You can see that the shade is perfect, works like a dream. I'm not struggling to make the pencil show up. It shows up really, really nicely. And the shade that I picked for my skin, I think works perfectly well. And for $4, count me in. So I'm done applying like my lashes, eyeshadow, and lip gloss and setting my face with powder. But I want to set my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. This has all of the properties of the Power Grip Primer, but it has hyaluronic acid, squalane, and also aloe vera. So it's going to help with keeping your skin dewy and also holding your makeup in place all at the same time. This retails for about $19. I'm just gonna cross check just to be sure. $13. So if you're looking for like an affordable setting spray, this is the one. Before I set my face, I'm gonna give it a good shake like I always do with all my setting sprays. And I'm gonna let that sit in for a bit, then come back and show you guys my finished look before sharing with you guys the very last product. So this is my face using only e.l.f. products. I feel like my makeup looks absolutely stunning. Everything blended out really nicely. You can still see my blush peeking through. You can see like my brows, my foundation, everything looks really, 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 really good. 10 over 10 in my opinion. So these are the makeup that I would recommend from e.l.f. Cosmetics. However, I do have one last product for you guys to check out, and it's the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Makeup Cleansing Balm. Now I've been using this for a while now because come to think of it, it's quite insane to say you're spending almost $30 on a cleansing balm to take off your makeup. Now, this retails for $13, which is a fraction of the price, and it gets the job done. Now, I'm not gonna be taking off my makeup because I just got this makeup done, but I did swatch the back of my hand with some makeup products. So you have the brow pencil that I used from e.l.f. I also used like my mascara, and this is the blush. And then I'm going to show you how much of your makeup this cleansing balm actually takes off. So this is what the product looks like. It comes with a little spoolie, so you can just scoop in without having to get it all dirty. And I'm just gonna take that on my hand. and apply that on the product. So melts really well. And I'm gonna take just a tissue and wipe. Exactly. So you don't need to be spending a ton of money on cleansing balms. The e.l.f. Holy Hydration does a great job of taking off your makeup. And again, it's really affordable. So who doesn't love that? This is everything about e.l.f. that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know in the comment section which of these products you'll be checking out. I feel like drugstore products have really stepped up their game in terms of their quality, performance, and everything else. So if you're not about spending a lot of money in terms of makeup, skincare, then feel free to check out some of these products that I mentioned. Again, I would like to know which of these products you'll be adding to cart, and I will be leaving links for you guys to go check them out if you're looking to shop these products. And yeah, let me know what your thoughts are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.